Hey everyone, how's it going? Coming back with another video. This one's just a quick unboxing. I ordered a knife on eBay and I'm very excited to handle this for the first time, and I figured if I'm going to be back to making videos, people do enjoy unboxing videos and first impressions, so let's go ahead and give that a shot. I'm going to open this up. This should be a titanium handled version of the Sanrenmu 710, so I'm very excited to see that. EDC today is the GTKII model GTK24. I did a review on this. It's currently scheduled for upload on August 8th, so y'all can look forward to that. Yeah, not a very catchy name. I'm just going to call it the Git Key 24. Let's go ahead and see if I can't get into this here without damaging things, because it seems like he just wrapped the envelope around the actual item box, and I don't want to damage packaging because, well, I keep my knife packaging. I like to show it off for review, and I just like to have it in case of resale. Because a lot of folks like to have the bucks whenever they buy a knife, myself included. So, gotta be very careful as I get into this here. There we go. And here we can see it in the Land packaging. I believe this is technically part of their Land series of knives. It says 913 there. That's a little concerning. Did you send the wrong box? Okay, no. So inside this 710 Ti's box. Okay, so we just doubled up on packaging for protection. Ooh, okay, here we go. And this was advertised as new condition, so I will be looking at it for scratches and whatnot, but first impressions, this is a really nice version. Actually, I have the standard, the old school Sanrenmu 710 right here, and this is the original. This is not the 7010 in 12C27. It's the old school 710 in HCR 13 MOV, and you can see literally the exact same knife, but this is upgraded in pretty much every way. It has that nice warm to the touch titanium. Deployment is even smoother. We have a VG10 steel on this one. Thumb studs are upgraded to be more Sebenza-like. Pocket clip is exactly identical. Actually, I'll just go ahead and bring this in. Exactly identical pocket clip. Pretty similar construction. You can see those thumb stud differences there. Centering, pretty much perfect. Actually, it's pretty much perfect on both knives. The 710/7010 does still remain to be a great value knife to this day. No blade play in any direction. Jimping is very purposeful. I mean, this is a wonderful little knife. If you were ever looking for a true poor man's Sebenza in terms of materials, this is a bit closer in terms of the materials, and design-wise, it's obviously just as close as the 710 ever was, the Sanrenmu 710. I really like that. I really like that. That is a wonderful little knife, and I will definitely be testing this out. I will be doing some cardboard cutting with it to see how their VG10 stacks up. However, I tend to have high hopes for Sanrenmu. And actually, let me get a piece of paper. We'll see how sharp this edge is, because this is supposed to be factory. So, in my experience, Sanrenmu knives generally come very, very sharp, and this is no exception. Look at that. Let's compare that to the well-loved and well-used 710. I haven't touched this up in probably a month or so. Actually, it still performs quite well itself. Snags just a tiny bit, but honestly, the 710 still seems to hold up. The old school HCR 13 MOV version. Yeah, a few differences between this and the original is this original model here is hollow ground on that upper flat, whereas this is flat ground, more like the 913 and the 911 and the 810. So that's a very interesting choice. They've kind of changed the blade grind. I wonder how that'll affect slicing. Maybe I should compare it side by side with this in my testing to see if it slices better or worse than the original. I mean, for all I know, though, the 7010, the modern version of the 710, also has a flat grind. I haven't picked one up. I absolutely will. I do plan to pick up an original, a modern 7010 to do a full re-review of this. So it'll be the 710, the 7010, and the 710 Ti in that video. Let me know if you guys are interested in that, because I do have plans to make it happen. But yeah, just a nice improvement in pretty much every way over the original. Slightly rounded spine on the top here. Beautifully warm to the touch titanium. There's our lock engagement. Fit and finish is a step better. Centering is fantastic. Though again, it was fantastic on the original as well. Great deployment, good lockup, nice jimping. Color me very impressed. I've had the Maxpedition Small Excelsa before, and this is, at least in terms of how it feels in hand, how it feels to deploy the knife and everything, the quality feels every bit as good. Whether or not the steel will hold up as well, this VG10, I guess we'll have to find out. So yeah, that's my unboxing on the Sanrenmu model 7010 Ti, or 710 Ti rather. Definitely going to be doing a full review on that, as well as the modern 7010 and this old school 710. So you guys can look forward to that. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. I should be posting another one, I believe, tomorrow, of my first experience with Kaiser knives, and I'm very much looking forward to that. I have very high expectations because people have talked up the brand so much for the price, so hopefully it lives up to all of them. But yeah, I'll see you guys then. Until next time, peace, and take care.